Imagine a child staring at the world, wide-eyed, absorbing every sound, every movement, every word spoken. At first, nothing makes sense, but over time, patterns emerge. The child hears the word dog every time a furry, four-legged creature runs by. They notice that touching something hot leads to pain. They learn through experience, repetition, and feedback. Now imagine a machine doing the same thing. That's how AI learns. Picture an AI model as a newborn, starting with no knowledge, just lines of code. It doesn't understand language, recognize faces, or predict anything useful. But as it's fed data, patterns begin to take shape. Show it thousands of pictures of dogs, and eventually, it figures out what makes a dog a dog. Show it enough human speech, and it learns how sentences are structured. It doesn't have thoughts or feelings, but it gets better at recognizing, predicting, and responding. At the heart of AI learning is something called machine learning. Instead of memorizing answers, AI analyzes enormous amounts of information to find patterns. Imagine trying to teach someone to recognize a song without letting them hear it first. That would be impossible. AI is the same, it needs examples to learn. Neural networks designed to mimic the human brain help with this process. Each layer of these artificial neurons refines its understanding, first detecting shapes, then textures, then complex features. By the end, the AI can confidently decide whether the image it's looking at contains a cat, a car, or a completely new object it's never seen before. But AI doesn't just learn by looking at data, it also learns through trial and error. This is called reinforcement learning. Think about a baby learning to walk. At first they wobble, fall, and try again. Over time they figure out what works, and soon enough, they're running. AI can do the same thing, but at superhuman speed. It plays millions of chess games against itself, learns which moves lead to success, and eventually becomes so skilled that it can beat the best human players in the world. The same principle applies to self-driving cars. They learn the safest way to navigate roads. By making thousands of virtual driving decisions, before ever hitting the streets. Another kind of AI learning is deep learning, which powers large language models. The kind that generate text, translate languages, and hold conversations. These AI systems absorb massive amounts of text from books, articles, and websites, then predict which word should come next in a sentence. They don't think like humans, but they create responses that feel natural. That's why AI can write essays, summarize information, and even generate creative stories. The more AI interacts with the world, the more it improves. That's why voice assistants get better at understanding accents, why streaming services recommend movies you'll actually enjoy, and why search engines seem to know exactly what you're looking for before you even finish typing. Every interaction is a new lesson. But AI isn't perfect. Just like humans can learn incorrect information, AI can develop biases based on flawed data. If it's trained on biased information, it may make unfair decisions. That's why researchers carefully monitor how AI learns, ensuring that it remains ethical and unbiased. So how does AI learn? The same way we do, by observing, practicing, making mistakes, and improving. But unlike humans, AI can learn at an astonishing scale. processing more data in seconds than we could in a lifetime. The real question isn't just what AI will learn next, it's how we choose to teach it. Because in the end, AI's intelligence isn't just about what it knows. It's about what we, as humans, decide to show.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.